Hey guys, how you doing? Steve Donahoe from DCS Sales Marketing, and I found something online. I always look online to see if I can find some beneficial packages that are actually free, because a lot of people ask me, and I'm on Quora, and I'm a writer on Quora, and a lot of people ask me, like, when can you get free traffic to go on your sites and not have to pay anything for it? So I look around, I look for marketing concepts, and I found this one. It's called Hot Summer Traffic. And when you're in these other mailing lists, a lot of people will send their links. Obviously, that's how it works, for you to look at. And you actually just click on the link and you get a credit for it. Okay. Now, this one I like because it does all the work for you. So if you join Hot Summer Traffic, and yes, I'm going to promote you as a referral, but it's not going to cost you a red cent. You can actually upgrade, but this is actually, the whole system is done free, okay? And you can actually get free credits, and I want to show you how it's done. So Hot Summer Traffic is linking to a whole different mailing list, okay, mailing sites. So if you have a look here, when you come into the site and you join Hot Summer Traffic, it'll give you claim your free traffic packages. So when you click to see your packages, this is what they're actually going to give you. And this is free. Understand, this is all free. So you're getting 5,000 free mailing credits, okay, with all these sites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 sites. And they're anywhere from 2,000 up to 5,000 mailing credits for free. That means you can send through these mailing lists, which is Home Income Mailer and Web Biz Insider, Web's Best Mailer, for free, 5,000 free mails, okay? And there's no catch. I ran it a couple of times, and I actually have ran through my talk just so I can show it how many, like, there was visitors. And there was some quite amount of visitors that are actually came in yesterday. But it's not showing me. I can't. Doesn't seem to want to keep the record of it. Anyway, I ran it, and there was almost 200 visitors that came on to my site yesterday, just on that mailing list, out of all those. Now, it hasn't finished yet. Understand, it hasn't finished. So anyway, that's just something I use for free. But I just want to show you how not only is this free, but it automatically links all of these, so you don't have to go independently to each of these mailing lists and sign up. It'll actually do it for you. So now, if you have a look at these two down the bottom, it says claim your gift. Now, these are not working. For some reason, the links aren't working, but I'm just giving you an idea how it works. Okay, so you'll see when you first come in here, they're all going to be in green. Now, you can see I've already redeemed these gifts here, but here you would click on it, and this is not really going to work. So see available packages, you'll see it's not going to work. But this one here, I tried to use this and it didn't work. So if you hit claim your gift, I'll just give you an idea of what it does. It says I have an account and know the login. That means if you already have an account previously with it. Okay. If it says I do not have an account, you click on I do not have an account, and yes, please create an account and add the bonus. So what it does is automatically creates the account for you with your username that you used on Hot Summer Traffic and a separate ID, and makes the account for you already. I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not going to click on this, but I'm going to show you something else that actually works as well. If you there's lists. Now you'll see here, get more traffic. you'll see best converting sites, and you can join all these ones here, and you do join these ones independently yourself. But the free traffic itself, I want to show you how it works. All right. And just read that. When you come in, read the information, okay? There's a dashboard to go back to. Now you see link a new site, okay? So there's still more there to be linked. Now, if you have a look, once you've actually signed up, again, it automatically does it for you. Now, there's no credits in here because I've actually gone through them already. You'll see here. There are some still that I'm waiting on to do, but they're sometimes in a queue, and there's only special days you can bring them out to mail. Now, Hotlist Mailer, let's see, I have 660 credits. It tells me I have enough credits to mail 660 members right now, but not the active membership of 2,177 because I've already mailed. But if you click here to mail 666 members, okay, it's telling you to create a schedule, and it shows you what days are available. So you could click on in green what days are available, and it'll tell you like what time you want it to go out. So say we're going to start this off to go at 6 in the morning, because a lot of people get up at 6 in the morning and look at the emails. And then you click here, enter information email, and you'll see subject. And it has a templated way that you can actually make your own emails that are appealing as well. It's called the Email Wizard. So what it'll do, it'll actually create the email for you, and you're using parts of a template that is an attractive template. If you don't know how to do it yourself, it actually tells you of what to use in a template that it has the questions already in it, okay? Now, I have already done one of those, so I'm going to go out of that, but I'm just going to show you. We're going to go back into the send emails. Again, I have send an email. I still have 660, click to email 660 members. So I'm going to schedule an email, and this, you don't have to do this with all of them. As soon as you send one email, it sends it to all the ones that are available. That's the beauty of this, okay? You don't send individually. It actually links up with all of them together, and it sends it out to all of them. So it's not only 5,000 or 2,000 going to one, it's actually linking to go to all of them, okay? And this is all free. And this is what I like to look at and show other people, right? So the 12th, which is, it's going to take 4 days before this is actually here. I want to book that area. And I said I'm going to start it off at maybe 5 in the morning, because people get up there and look at the emails sometimes. Click your email information. The subject is what I'm going to run. And what I did was I actually did a template already, which is the one I'm going to run on the new text document. And this is it here. So I have all the information here already, and I'm just going to copy out of this text document, and I'm going to just paste it into this email body here. Right? So this is the actual message that's going to go through, and where you need it to go to. They say you shouldn't have in the actual body of the email, you shouldn't put links. So it's telling your website URL down here, and this is my site, greenerdays.com, and you can join free on there too and get free traffic as well. So yeah, I promote that and plug that too. That's been running for the last 8 years. Okay, it's a pay to click site, and I actually pay members to do work for me. So anyway, it'll tell you click your email links, and you'll see it's going to test that site. Okay, So it's going to test the site, and it's going to come up here, please wait while we test your link. And when it's approved, it's going to say, didn't break out of frames or anything like that. It's actually good. So you'll see member hotlist mailer says your link is approved. So I'm going to hit OK for that. And next step now is I'm actually going to mail it. So you'll see wherever the actual check mark is, that's where it actually got mailed. It was on that. If you see that, they have been emailed as well. So it emailed 1,321 members. It emailed 1,693, 1,133. All right. So it showed there that they've automatically been emailed to these actual mailing lists as well. That's the beauty of this. All right. So you don't do a lot of work on it. Now you'll see it says cannot email because there was not enough emails. Cannot email. There was not enough credits. So I didn't email it. But the one that did emails, you'll see it actually has a tick mark on it, a check mark. So you don't do it individually. This saves so much for you as far as traffic goes, okay? And you are getting all this members from these mailing lists that are actually seeing your offer. So you'll see now that that's been sent. Approve email to be sent at Hotmail. Approve email. So your email was approved. And here it goes. It's showing which ones it's going to. Look at this. It's showing it's gone to 2,029 members. It showed it's gone to 1,627, 1,573, 1,346. Look at this traffic coming through, guys. Look at it. Free. Totally free. It's doing it on its own. And this is not costing you anything, okay? So this is the last one I ran, was 7th of the 6th. A total was 2,168 was sent, okay? And 207 were actually sent, and 10 were total opened, all right? It's not finished yet. It hasn't finished. Again, these are the two that are ready to go. On the 9th, it is going out to 2,172 out of that list, and the last one I just did is going to 660. All right, but not only is it going to 660, it's going into these ones as well. So it's you just use that one to go to 660, but it integrated and went to all these ones as well. So all these ones have seen your offer or service or whatever you're actually promoting. Okay, so how powerful is this? Really, I mean, look at it. How powerful. Proof is in the pudding, as we say. So if we get back to the dashboard, I want to show you how easy this is, okay? So when you see link a new site, it's fully integrated websites that are linked. This is the power of this, okay? And it's free. Again, it's free. You're going to link a site, and you'll see these are the other sites that haven't been linked yet. See all these ones here. Now I'm going to link Traffic Kickstart. Now if you have your own actual account, excuse me, you don't have to link it. You can just put in your username and password and automatically do it. But honestly, I would just make up a new one so you can get your credits. And this is replicating. Once you've done one, use another email, come back in and do the same thing over again. Okay? This is what you can do. It's just incredible. So Traffic Kickstart, it's telling me again I have an account and know the login. That's if you actually in it in the first place. I do not have an account. Okay, so this is the power, all right? I want to show you. I do not have an account. Please create an account and link it. It's going to link it to all the other mailing lists. Okay, please create an account and link it. And that's what we're doing right now. It's telling me I already have an account. So my member number is 296A. So I didn't even know that I actually had an account with that. So let's go back to another one. And link a new site. Let's try Limiters Mailer. I do not have an account. Please create an account and link it. Maybe these are the ones that have already been done. I don't know. Yeah, these are the ones that have already been done. But what I'm trying to show you is this is all you got to do, and link it, and it automatically makes it up for you. So you'll see I already have an account because I've done it already. Okay, so there are ones there that turn up, and this actual is through Hotlist Mailer, and the original one that's running it is Hot Summer Traffic. So Hot Summer Traffic, is running all these links together. So whenever you join, Hot Summer Traffic is the one that's you've got to join first to get linked up, so to speak. So again, these have got credits still waiting to go. Look at this. I have unlocked your list. I have 11,987 credits in that. So if I would want to send an email through that, which I think I've done today, it's telling me again you have enough to schedule. And on the 15th, I can schedule one for that to go out on those days. Okay, there's not available. You've missed these ones. So in green, you can schedule all free. It's not costing you anything. And the only thing that you're going to get is possible emails from the site that you actually have gone and joined through that email account. And it'll come back maybe in your email as such of ones to click on, right? So this is, I'm going to ask you to join through me. Once you've seen this video, down below, you're going to see the link to the referral link that I'm giving you and to join under me so we can build a mailing list and help each other, okay? And then I'm going to show you an actual a link to my site which you can join for free, and I'll give you 8,000 credits to run your offers as well through my pay-to-click site for nothing. As long as you, and the reason I'm giving you that is because I send you links to places that I send you to, which is showing you how to get free traffic. And that's what people want to see. When I'm a Quora writer, they ask me, how do you get free traffic? How do you get free traffic to your sites? And I can show you. And I look to see what is the most beneficial and what is the easiest thing to do. And right now, this is the one that I feel is the most beneficial and easiest way to get traffic. And it's called Hot Summer Traffic. So what I'm going to do is give you my referral link, which will be down the bottom, and it's going to be hotsummertraffic.com, and you'll see this link that I send you for you to join under me, and this will be under the bottom of the actual video. All right, click on that and come on my mailing list, okay? Because I'm telling you, this is value that you do not want to miss. All right, it's totally free. All right, okay. Steve Donohoe from DCS Sales Marketing, and take the offer, guys. Can't beat it. All right.